Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the responsive homepage design using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So we're in the homepage. You can see I have added a header here and there's a background image. Now I have added some products in the homepage. And in here I have added a footer. So this is just a simple design. I'm going to show you the code for this design. It includes the search bar, category display, carousel banners, and product listings fetched dynamically from the database. I'll go through the HTML, PHP, and Bootstrap structure step by step while scrolling through the code. At the top, you can see the PHP include statement for connection PHP. This file handles the database connection using a custom database class, so we can easily run queries later in this page. Next, we have the HTML structure starting with the head tag. Here I have included meta tags for character encoding and viewport to make the page responsive. Then we have the title tag, Home eShop. The page title helps users identify the tab when multiple pages are open. Below that, I've linked the Bootstrap CSS file for styling Bootstrap icons from a CDN for using small icon components, and a custom style CSS file for my project's own styles. Finally, I've set the favicon using the eShop logo from the resources folder. The body begins with a container flow width div. This makes the layout span the full width of screen. Inside it, we start a main row to hold all the sections. First important line here is the PHP include for header PHP. This means the navigation bar and main header design are written in another file and included dynamically here. It keeps the code modular and reusable. After that, there's a horizontal line HR to visually separate the header from the rest of the content. This next part is the search section. It allows users to search for products by typing keywords or selecting categories. We use a combination of Bootstrap grid classes to align elements properly across screen sizes. For example, you can see columns with offsets for positioning the logo and search bar. The main part is the input group, which contains two elements, a text field and a drop down. The text input with ID basic search txt lets users enter the product name or keyword. Next to it, there is a drop-down list populated dynamically using PHP. Here the PHP code fetches all categories from the categories table. It runs a SQL query using database search and stores the result in the category $RS variable. Then for a loop goes through each row using fetch assoc and dynamically creates option elements for each category. So if you add a new category to the database, it will automatically appear here. Next, the blue search button is linked to a JavaScript function called basic search, which triggers an AJAX request to display search results. Finally, there is an advanced search link on the right, leading to another page for filtered something. Finally, there is an advanced search link on the right, leading to another page for filtered searching. Below the search section, we have the carousel or image slider section. This part visually introduces the website with banners and promotional images. The entire carousel is wrapped inside Bootstrap's carousel component, identified by carousel example indicators. It uses three main slides, each containing an image and, in some cases, text captions. The first slide showing welcome banner, "Welcome to eShop," with the caption, "The world's best online store by one click." The next slides use different images from the resources / slider image folder. Bootstrap automatically handles the slide indicators and next previous buttons for navigations. These two buttons on the bottom, previous and next, allow users to manually navigate through slides. So overall, this carousel enhances the visual appeal and highlights key messages to users. Now we move to the most dynamic section, product listing grouped by category. First, we fetch all categories, again using another SQL query. This is done to display category-wise section below the carousel. We loop through each category and display the category name as a bold title, followed by a see all link. That link could be expanded later to show all products in that specific category. The SQL query here selects products from the product table where the category ID matches and the product status is active, status ID equal 1. It orders them by date time added in descending order, showing the newest first. Then we use another loop to go through each product and create a bootstrap card for it. Each product card displays an image, title, and price. The image is fetched from the product img table using the product ID. The first image path is then displayed inside an img tag. Below the image, we show the product title, a new badge, and the product price. Next, we check if the product is in stock using an if statement. If it's in stock, we show in stock in yellow and display the quantity available in green text. The user also gets active buttons, buy now and shopping cart button with a bootstrap icon. If the product is out of stock, we show out of stock in and disable both buttons. This prevents users from purchasing unavailable items. This logic ensures users see only the latest and available products under each category. After after all the products and categories are displayed, we include the footer PHP file, which usually contains copyright info, contact links, and or social media icons. Finally, we import two scripts. Finally, we import two scripts at the end: Bootstrap to Bootstrap bundle.js for interactive components like the carousel and models, and script.js for our custom JavaScript functions such as searching or handling user actions. Placing scripts at the bottom ensures the page loads faster since HTML content renders first. Finally, to summarize, this homepage dynamically connects connects the frontend and backend of the eShop system. It displays live data from the database, categories, products, images, and stock availability. The search bar allows users to find items instantly, and the carousel makes the homepage visually engaging. This design is fully responsive, meaning it adjusts perfectly on both desktop and mobile screens. The modular PHP structure it includes for header, footer, and connection keeps the code organized and easy to maintain. That's the complete explanation of my homepage in the eShop project. Thank you.